You're watching Momo Beginner Swings. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Today we are making homemade marks, which is very much necessary for current situation. And now I'm telling you the width and height of the my marks, that is 9-inch width and 6-inch height. Now I'm going to tell you that we need 3 points over here at 2-inch, 3-inch and 4-inch for our pleats. Now we have our bias tape, or you can use the elastic for elasticity. It should be of 9-inch in length. We need 2 pieces of these 2 elastics. Now I'm going to tuck it at corners. Elastic on 4 sides. Now set the second layer of fabric over here. Now you need to give the pleats on the mark points and pin it, so when you do seam it will go extremely well, and then do here and there. Repeat the process over here. Now do the seam on 4 side, but give the little bit gap because we need to take out it from, and you can revert it. Now I'm going to do the seam and then show you that how I'm going to rip it out. Now I'm going to take it out, the inner seam. It is called the inner seam, and we are going to revert it, so our seam will not be shown. This is the final marks. The base is ready. Our base is almost ready. Now I'm going to sew the sides of it, so it is a fine finishing cut of, you can say. Now our work is done over here. You just need to do some ironing over here, and then it will be ready to wear. Thank you so much.